In this video I will show you how you can download IntelliJ for your Mac. This also works for Windows. First of all, we want to head to jetbrains.com and we want to click on download. And when we come in here, you can see that we have a 30-day free trial. So we click on download and you select your Apple Silicon or your Intel. So you click on accept and now it's downloading up here. After we have downloaded IntelliJ, we want to drag it over to applications. We can also at the same time drag it on the desktop if we want to have it on the desktop. So now it's copying to desktop and to applications. After this, we can close this down. We can click on this one. We can click push out. So after this, we can open IntelliJ. And it says right here that it's an app from the internet. Are you sure you really want to open it? We click on open. And we want to accept that it can access our network. Want to read the user agreement and click continue. I don't want to share my data, so I click on don't send, but you can do whatever you want. Click on accept. You can import your settings from Cursor, or you can skip import. For this tutorial, I'm just going to skip import. As you can see right here, I have now downloaded and successfully installed IntelliJ.